Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Clothing Clone, the Fashion Hub. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're looking for a unique, out-of-this-world gift for your loved ones, you're in the right place. Today, I'm super excited to review this NYRWANA Astronaut Projector Lamp. Trust me, this isn't just a lamp, it's an experience. Let's dive in. First things first, look at how adorable this is. The astronaut design is so cute and futuristic. It's made of high-quality plastic, feels sturdy, and has a polished finish that gives it a premium look. The dimensions are perfect, 10 cm in diameter and 22.5 cm in height. So it's compact enough to fit on your bedside table, desk, or even your living room shelf. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with a USB plug-in, so you can easily power it up using a power bank, laptop, or adapter. No batteries required. The touch switch and remote control make it super convenient to operate. You can adjust the brightness, change colors, and even set a timer. More on that. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the projection. This little astronaut creates a stunning starry sky effect that's perfect for setting a romantic or relaxing mood. The head can be adjusted at 90 degrees, and the arms rotate 360 degrees, so you can project the lights in any direction. Look at how vivid and mesmerizing this is. It's like having your own personal galaxy right in your room. One of my favorite features is the color changing option. With just a touch of the remote, you can switch between multiple colors to match your mood. Whether you want a calming blue, a romantic pink, or a vibrant mix of colors, this projector has got you covered. It's perfect for creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere, whether it's for a date night, a cozy evening, or even a kid's sleepover. Another awesome feature is the auto-off timer. You can set it for 45 or 90 minutes, which is perfect if you're using it to fall asleep. Imagine drifting off under a blanket of stars. Sounds dreamy, right? Plus, it's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about leaving it on all night. Here's something really cool. The astronaut comes with a moon base. You can detach the astronaut and place it anywhere in the room. The magnetic attachment allows the head to rotate smoothly, so you can adjust the projection angle easily. It's such a fun and interactive feature, especially for kids. To sum it up, here's why I think this NYRWANA Astronaut Projector is a must-have. It's a unique and thoughtful gift for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. The projection effect is stunning and creates a relaxing, romantic, or fun atmosphere. It's easy to use, portable, and energy efficient. The design is adorable and versatile, perfect for kids, couples, or even as a decorative piece. If you're looking to surprise your girlfriend, boyfriend, family, or even yourself this Valentine's Day, this astronaut projector is a fantastic choice. It's not just a gift, it's an experience that will leave your loved ones starstruck. Plus, it's available on Amazon India, so you can grab it with just a few clicks. The link to this product is given below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more extraordinary product reviews. And hey, if you've already tried this projector, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining like the stars. Bye. Thanks for watching.